and they kind of got burned. This, you know how they find like sweet watermelon? Joke. Keeps getting lame every.
Can't go on the vlog.
Asre masa. तू दिसता है यहाँ खाया को. Natasha, what are we cooking today?
Prawn bhel.
What? Doesn't even know.
Like prawn bhel.
Doesn't even know what we are cooking.
I just know how to eat.
Okay, roll and go for it. Smell the dried prawns. Go put your nose there.
Oh my god. Other people eat this.
Like this. Just try one. Like there's no like smell, nothing to it. There's no barely any taste also.
I can see the lie on your.
No, I'll tell you which one. Wait. Eat the one without. Remove the head. Take it. This.
What is left?
The body. The body.
The body.
Go for it. Go for it.
Oh god.
तुमचा आणि कोणा आवडला माझ्या भुरग्या
हैं? आज का जूस watermelon. You know how they find like sweet watermelon. One of it is this mark. ये mark होना चाहिए. And secondly, ये जो होता है ना, this whatever it is called daint we say. It has to be curved like little bit. ऐसे curved होता है ना, तो वो अच्छा होता है sweet. I hope this one is good because the other one was very nice. Oh wow!
मस्त मेलन.
अरे मस्त मेलन है वो.
What a melon.
So we were trying to make them during the shoot and they kind of got burned, and for some reason the vegetables have burned and the prawns have remained proper. So yeah. Holy shit. Mishap. मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं, अपने आप गिर गया वो स्पून. तो ये फिर से मीर ने बनाया है. मीर एक्चुअली कुक कर रहा था तो उसने लंच नहीं किया है. क्या लाया लंच में?
बटाट्याची भाजी.
Warashi bhaji.
बटाटा.
बटाट्याची भाजी.
It looks nice.
And चपाती.
It does look good.
This one I was saying something like this. Is it too much? No, I think it's nice. What do you want? Maida? नहीं है. Hey, do one. No, put it in the deep, no, please. The watermelon. Yeah, easy refrigerator.
Life is good.
Okay, so take this and we'll add it to this plate, okay? Let's go for it. Give me some nice fresh chopped coriander, please. Okay, final shot, okay? We'll add the coriander on it. Roll. Roll. Suki Coolby.
Why is this so amusing?
Right in his ear, dude.
Like in his other ear.
Looks good, huh? Useless hand model.
चलो done. Next.
Dried cool.
Genuinely tell me how you feel about it. So take it. Begin सांग कितना time?
Digest ऐसे lotion.
It has this aroma.
What?
Room is filled with
Aroma Fernandez. Now you're going to make the chapati, and when are we going to shoot, and when are we going to finish, and when are we going to go for carom finals?
And how were we supposed to cook? You were supposed to sit with the gas inside you.
What? What? अभी कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं लोग. Suraj. Okay, and go for it. Superb. Very nice. Can you explain what hole is?
Hole is basically a Konkani.
Look here, man. Camera में देखना.
She asked me the question.
I'll stand here for you.
She asked the question. Stand here.
It's a wrap of jackfruit leaf made into form of a cone.
Again. Sorry.
Then,
I missed that.
Over the shoulder.
So hole is a very authentic Goan sweet dish.
Slightly angle.
Made with rice.
Yeah.
Uh,
Quick बोलो ना एक 10 words में.
it is steamed, so it's very healthy.
Now you explain what you understood.
Rice steamed with jaggery and coconut.
In what leaf?
Oh, banana? What leaf did you say? Jackfruit.
कौन प्रेग्नेंट हो?
Why is it a
Pregnant?
what has pregnancy got to do with kharwas?
It's a very Maharashtrian joke, basically.
Joke.
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 If you by mistakenly say what is sweet dish and if they say kharwas, then they
you're
look at each
pregnant.
other and they laugh. Why? Because
But why is
it
this a
the
thing?
milk is basically the first milk of a milching cow.
It's colostrum.
So basically they laugh at each other looking at it as if it's made with somebody's milk from the home.
What?
So if you are the husband,
And you're the
I'll
wife.
give you this example now. And if you say what is there in the sweet today, if one of your friend asks you, then if you say kharwas, then they will look at you and laugh.
Because that means you're pregnant or you're
No, that
already
means your wife
has given
is already
birth.
given birth.
Okay. Now I got it.
And I want a nice heavy rainfall now, just now.
Already happened.
Granted. Spray it on his face, no?
I'm trying.
No, don't.
Yeah, do the dance. Hawaiian dance. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Check out these jackfruit leaves that we are going to be using later. Are you pregnant?
No, his wife.
Most important part of the recipe,
Oh my god, I fully forgot.
folding the jackfruit
What
leaves
it is?
for the hole. As you can see, our hand model is immensely struggling. They just keep shooting whatever you can salvage from this door. What is this?
It's a code.
तेजस दिखा रहा है कैसे ओरिजिनल आरामबॉल के गांव से कैसे बनता है ये हैं?
डबल हलवा गरज नाही.
किती साफ कर किती खायला What a beautiful photo. Beta, show that technique. Suddenly he pokes it, same. Sudden motion.
आता सापरा
और सूरज येला आमचो आता सूरज फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर कारवार नो कारवार के ट्रेडिशंस लेके आया है हमारे सूरज बाबू
उलटा आयला बुदो. इसको घाल, इसको काट. चालेल.
वाओ ये देख सकते हैं हमारा इतना ब्यूटीफुल हॉलेज. ओके लेट्स कंटिन्यू. Do some more. Watermelon juice. This is the vlog ending, right? Say that again. I made it. Say.
It's actually really good.